Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Pampered Bather box. This is a premium soap and bath bomb subscription box. You guys know I love me some bath bombs. So I'm super excited. Now, there are two different options. There's one that you get 4 bath bombs, and you get to pick the scents and whatnot, but then there's also the 2 soaps and the 2 bath bombs. That's what I have right here. I did pick out the ones that I received. I don't remember, but they sounded amazing. They were like florals, beautiful sounding. They're both $25 a month. I'm loving this box. I think it's super cool looking. It's very nice. It does have my address right on the top, so I can't show you. So this is what it looks like. You open it up. There's a little card here. Thanks. Hope you enjoy the bath bombs and soaps. Excited to be partnered with you. Hope they provide you with some relaxation. They sure will. I can smell them. Oh, loving it. All right. Thank you for shopping with Pampered Bather. And then there is a coupon code for 15% off your next order when you subscribe to the box. So if you go back and you buy more bath bombs, you have a coupon. That's awesome. All right, so I'm going to show you guys this part right here. So there's our 2 bath bombs, and then our soaps are over here. I am pumped because I forget. It's like a surprise all over again. All right, this is Walk in the Orchard. Oh, yes. Oh, all right. Does it say the scents in it? Oh, darn it, I don't remember. I'll put that all in the full review because I'm going to link down below to my full review like I always do. I'll also link to Pampered Bather so you can check them out. It doesn't say the scents though, but I love like the combinations that they used. It was like apple, but there was also floral, and isn't it pretty? Ooh, I'm excited. What's this one? Oh, this one is Lily Pad, and I feel like there was like jasmine and rose and just lots of other delicious sounding smells. Oh, it smells like really clean. I can only sort, they're wrapped really well, so I can only sort of smell them. All right, then we've got our 2 soaps. The first one is Charmer. I haven't taken my picture, so I can't open it up yet. But what I'll do is I'll put for the thumbnail a picture of all of the soaps and the bath bombs so you can see like what the soaps look like. It gives you directions how to use the soap, which is very important. For my kids it is. But I don't remember what this one smelled like. Darn it. Oh, it smells fruity. It smells some fruit. My face is itchy right now. But I like how they wrap them too. And all the ingredients are listed, how-tos and stuff like that. And this is a 4.3 ounce bar, so it's pretty big. This is a large bar. And then the final one I received is Green Thumb. So this one, I don't remember what it... They're all starting to smell the same now. Ah! But I think this one was like more like a earthy, I'm guessing because I'm using the name in my mind. Anyway, if you want to know, check out the full review below. I'm excited to try these out. I love soap. I just love different soap. These are cruelty-free as well. They're not tested on animals or anything like that. And you guys know how I have a passion for bath bombs and hot baths in general. So I'm going to link to Pampered Bather below. I'll also link to my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.